Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am right by the pool. In this video, Puri and I are taking a break. We're on a staycation in our own very city, Kuala Lumpur. For our staycation, we are staying in Hilton Kuala Lumpur. It is located in the heart of KL, close to some of the popular landmarks and next door to the main train station, KL Sentral. We're checking in. Hey, come on in. Let me bring you for a room tour. So we've booked a King Deluxe Room with a lake view and also breakfast for two. Let me show you the room. Here you have the king size bed. Here you get to see the view of the city. And sort of the garden. That's the Perdana Lake Garden. And you can see some cities. Really pretty. But the best part of this room is the bathroom. Let me bring you through it. Okay, so the bathroom you can enter from this side or you can go through this side. Isn't that fun? The bathroom is seriously spacious. Here you have the toilet, very personal. Lots of mirror. Just love the amount of mirrors here. Ooh, that's a big one. Hello. Mirrors. Here there's a very big space for you to shower, but of course I'm gonna use the bathtub. You can enjoy the view there from the bathtub, and this is going to be my baby for the next 2 days. We can even see the pool from our room. Let's go check out the pool. There's even a slide. Besides hanging out at the pool, we spend most of our time in the hotel, pampering ourselves, chilling, and relaxing. Until it is time for breakfast.
Curry comes in an envelope.
Wonderful and relaxing stay here in Hilton Kuala Lumpur. Besides the room and facilities, we love their service and hospitality as well. If you're planning to explore KL City, there are plenty of malls, restaurants, and attractions nearby. We have a separate video on things to do around KL. We'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more of our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!